There are two different styles that are extremely important to understand when you are filming with your smartphone. First one, vertical. So when you are filming a video like this in a vertical format, this is most often used for Instagram or for stories, whether that's for Snapchat, TikTok, because it fills the entire screen when another user is watching it. But if you try to upload a vertical video to YouTube, you're gonna get those two big black bars alongside the video because it's only filling the center of the screen. So again, if you are filming in vertical, this is more used for stories to again fill up as much of the screen as possible when people are scrolling by your content. So when you film a horizontal video, this is to get that wide angle feel, just like movies, just like when you go to a theater and watch a movie, that's wide angle. So when you are posting to YouTube, the YouTube native format is wide video, just like a movie. It's gonna fill up the entire screen on places like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Vimeo. You are gonna get that maximum use out of the space for your video. Now, just a side note, if you do have an editor on your team and you film a horizontal video, that editor can take the horizontal video, crop off the sides, and make it into a vertical formatted video for your Instagram story or Instagram post. With all that said, you can repurpose a horizontal video into a vertical format, but you cannot repurpose a vertical format into a horizontal video. That is an important note to understand.